Hi everyone. In HCX 4.11, there's a option called local mode where we have to manually upgrade the software itself. There is no longer a control plane that allows you to do that in an automated fashion. So the images, both for greenfield and brownfields, are located in the Azure VMware Solution data store, the vSAN data store, and that can be located here in a folder called AVS Official HCX Connector Binaries. And within this folder, there's an OVA for greenfield deployments if you're going to deploy the HCX Manager new, or there is an upgrade bundle for any brownfield deployments in case you want to upgrade. So in our case, we're going to upgrade the current 4.10 version of HCX to 4.11. We'll download the upgrade bundle, and then we will upgrade the manager that's currently in local mode. So if we go into the HCX manager, into the appliance itself on port 9443, again, this is the appliance itself versus the manager on port 9443, and go into administration and then upgrade on the left, and then choose the bundle that we just downloaded and upload that to the appliance. That will begin the upgrade process. So here we choose continue. This will begin to upload the image and then start the installation process. And once that's completed, this will allow us to upgrade the HCX Manager to 4.11. Again, for anybody that's used it before, this was part of an overall control plane process that was automated. And this indicates that we'll upgrade from 4.10.3 to 4.11. We'll start this upgrade process. And once the upgrade process is complete, the HCX Manager or the HCX Manager appliance will reboot in order to move to the next version, which is 4.11. So we'll let this finish the installation process, and then once this is done, the appliance will reboot and bring you back into the appliance, which is again port 9443. We log in as admin. It puts us into the dashboard location. And then to verify that we've upgraded the HCX Manager to 4.11, we can see that here. It's also in the administration and upgrade menu that we just were in to upgrade the appliance. So if we choose that, we can verify that we've upgraded from 4.10 to 4.11. And at any time, we can look in the upper right-hand corner and look at the version itself, and that's in 4.11. And then once that's complete, we can move back to the manager itself on port TCP 443 HTTPS. So this is not going into the appliance itself, but to the manager. And then we can verify here that the system upgrade has been up to or upgraded to 4.11. And anyone who's used this before, there used to be a button here to show the different versions that the appliance could be upgraded to. That's no longer available in 4.11 because, again, we're in this local mode option. Now, if we move back to the HCX Manager on the dashboard, we've already upgraded the HCX Manager from 4.10 to 4.11, and now we have to upgrade the HCX appliances both for the interconnect IX and the network extension appliances. So if we go into the service mesh that we have created, we can choose this upgrade appliances option within the service mesh. And here we can see that there are two options, in service or standard. In service is related to high availability. So if you deployed dual or two different appliances and put them in high availability mode or standard mode, we can choose either one. In this case, we'll choose standard mode, and we'll start that update process. And then if there's a need to look at further detail regarding the process itself, we can go into the view appliances, and there's a tasks menu button here. And within tasks, we can see all the different steps it takes to update the appliances. So here we have a number of different network extension appliances deployed, and we can start to see that it will go through a number of different steps, and this will take a few minutes for the appliances to properly update, both on the on-premises side as well as on the AVS side or the Azure VMware Solution side. And once the update is complete, we can see that the Edit Service Mesh button is now back and all the steps have been completed. And once we've confirmed that everything's been updated, we can then move back into the Service Mesh and go to the Service Mesh that we've currently updated, choose View Appliances, and then here we can see that the current version is 4.11 and that the tunnel status is up on each network extension appliance and IX interconnect appliance.